Hello. Hello. Pupunta kami ngayon ng USPS tsaka UPS. May i-return din ako sa Amazon.
Yung t-shirt.
Yung t-shirt. Tatlong plastic t-shirt. And then may umorder sa akin sa Facebook Marketplace ng magazine. So, ship natin to guys
Guys.
sa Florida. Ay, yung papel. Yes. Okay, so we'll see you there. Ay, dito. Tayo. Traffic dyan. Ay, yung phone ko.
Palito.
Wallet.
Nandun dun sa bag.
Okay.
Stop na.
Yeah. Hello. Starbucks muna tayo, guys.
Ano sa'yo?
Starbucks muna tayo, guys.
Made it through the couple's elimination process, but they could not decide what to name the baby. So an hour before she's born, they every name they would draw was a
Asan
name
yung
that
wallet?
was eliminated.
Diyan
And
sa
the last
harap.
name left in the cup would be what they named their daughter. They get down to the final two names. Abby looks very nervous.
Hey guys, umorder lang ako ng isang Nitro Cold Brew. $5.90. So kung i-convert natin sa pesos yun, magkano lang? 300 pesos lang.
And it wasn't because she didn't
Lang,
love the name.
mahal-mahal
She said
nun.
it actually felt like it was meant to
300
be
pesos
because
lang,
her mom
guys.
Sa Pilipinas, magkano lang yun?
Hindi, kasi sa Pilipinas, madalas sila mag-convert ng from peso to dollar. Sa tayo naman, dollar to peso, nilalagyan mo lang ng lang. Lagyan mo na lang ng lang.
300 pesos? Mahal nun? Sa Pilipinas kayo magkano yun? Di ba
Ay, Nitro Cold Brew.
Oo.
Parang, nung umorder ako nun, parang nasa 200 pesos. Parang 190. Parang yun.
Alam ko nga yung mga kape doon nasa 100 plus. 150 pataas.
Yeah. So dito, $5.90 lang. 300 pesos.
New school year, new teachers, new schedules, new homework, and somehow new ways to lose a water bottle. But before you start worrying about everything that's coming, take a breath. Say a little. You don't have to have it all figured out today. The new school year is coming, and you're not facing it alone. You got this.
Palagi kong gustong ipakita yung relo ko eh. Para may time, date, temperature.
1 minute of encouragement with a
Yun yung palaging mark ko ng ano. Hindi ko makakalimutan yung time, date, temperature.
Ano?
Para hindi natin makakalimutan. Okay guys, dito na tayo sa
Pangit, pangit.
USPS. Drop off na natin tong ating isi-ship. Okay guys, na-drop off na natin. Parang meron akong kausap kasi parang wala akong kausap, ang weird eh. So, ito na yung ating receipt. $1.89 lang guys.
Guys, mo?
100 pesos lang yung shipment natin sa USPS. Nabubwisit siya.
Make your phone the brightest thing in the room. Stream us on the KLM app.
guys, dito na tayo. On the way, pahalo-halo. Gustong bumili ni babe ng... Ano bang gusto mo dito?
Makapagtingin. Something.
Ay, bili ka, ano, kung meron silang, ano, yung itlog ng, ano, pugo, yung nakakan,
Ah, sige.
makapag, ano, ulit. Sipo egg.
Ah.
Ang ginamit kong meat nun dati, ano, shrimp. Tama, shrimp.
Oo, sure.
Ano naman? Shrimp. Chicken. Okay guys, mamaya magsisipo egg tayo.
Asan?
Oh,
Anong nangyayari dito? Ay! Ay, harap ko na.
September.
Sobre.
Yun yung street ko, ito street mo.
Artistic ka ba?
Ito naman kay John Way. John Way, yun yung movie ni, ano, di ba? Ni Keanu Reeves.
John Wick.
Na-testing ko lang yung mga bagong material. Okay guys, andito na tayo sa halo-halo. Baba na si Mrs. Mamimili siya, mag-grocery. Halo-halo! Yan nagtrabaho dati si Mama. Papa Hong. Diyan naman nagtrabaho yung isang katropa ko, si Chan.
Lubos sila hanggang 25.
Ay, ganun?
Talagay dun.
Bakit? Close daw ang halo-halo hanggang 25. Ganun. Special siya.
Masaya siya.
It's hilarious. Did your neighbors think you were a little crazy?
Practice siya magsayaw.
And now did
Wait, what's
you
that?
look sometimes in anger too to see if it had a ring
Parang
to it?
kuya.
You had to use both
Baka nag-identify siya sa akin.
Actually, gave us one of that things in the
May balbas eh.
It sounds like Alexander Hayden gets in trouble.
Ganun.
Alexander
Okay guys, na-drop off na natin yung ating second errands for the day. Ito yung ating receipt sa UPS.